4 to filters. It's not just non-finite object clauses, as we've been talking about, that may be lacking an overt lexical subject. Subject clauses too may have a non-realized subject. So there can be certain sentence in which there is a subject, but there is non-realized subject, actual subject of the verb. To be writing a book on this subject was irrational. So we have to be writing a book on this subject as a subject of the sentence, but it's a non-realized subject. It was irrational to be writing a book on this subject. Here we have it as subject, but it's non-realized. So if we compare 21A and B with 17.1 and B, we find that there is no overt subject in 21 and B, whereas it is overt subject in 17A and 17B. We assign the subject clause of 21 a following structure. Let's see. So this is the structure: subject, which is optional. Then we have sentence, and we have this brown bracket, right? To be writing a book on this subject. So here we can have the place of the subject. So as in 19b, the complementizer for is not allowed to occur here. In other words, the string complementizer for and then bracket, round bracket 2 is not allowed in English. So we cannot have such a sentence in which we can have two following for as for, which is a complementizer. It is not allowed. It is filtered out, right? So the complementizer for must not immediately precede 2. So the rule which disallows the string for to is more general than shown above. Very common. Take for example the sentence, you wished for which book to become a successful. Here we have which, WH. If we move which to the left side of the sentence, what is left is you wished for to become, right? So this sentence won't be possible. If you look at this, if WH movement applies to this sentence, we arrive at 23b. Which book did you wish for and then to become a success? So this sentence is incorrect sentence in English language. So 23b is ungrammatical since it contains the string for to, which must be deleted. So we can have it like this: which book did you wish to become a success? So whenever you have for complementizer in subordinate sentence, it should not be combined with to. It must be filtered out.